Horoscope for the year 2022. Hello everyone, welcome to our Astro Yogi channel. I am Acharya Ananya and we will discuss in detail the year 2022 for every single zodiac sign. Like the year 2020, the year 2021 has been challenging for all of us. However, the vaccine has given a ray of hope, and if the vaccination process goes successfully, the forthcoming year will bring plenty of joy and excitement. With the arrival of a new year, every individual wishes to know their future. We want all our dreams to get fulfilled in the forthcoming year. But there are numerous challenges we might have to face. It's always a good idea to prepare ourselves for all future challenges. There can be some questions regarding how your career would be, your business, married life, finances, relationship and health would be in the year 2022. Besides this, many people wonder whether the new year will be lucky for them or will it bring challenging or problematic situations. To answer all these questions, Astro Yogi has prepared a yearly horoscope for all of you. In the yearly horoscope, you will learn about your future as per your zodiac sign. For example, in the field of work, what kind of result will you achieve in 2022? When it comes to finances, whether you will earn money or your expenses would increase. More questions like how will your behavior and relationships will be with your family members, or will your love life will become more romantic, or would it be filled with problems? The answers to all these questions can be found in the yearly horoscope we have created for you. But before beginning the yearly horoscope 2022, let us first look at the first house for the major house transits, solar and lunar eclipses and important festivals that will be taking place in 2022. Also, you will be provided with a lucky number, lucky color and astrological tips as per your zodiac sign. So make sure you watch the video till the end. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it and click on the bell icon. Also do like, share and comment if you like the video. Major house transits of the year 2022. Let's discuss that. Saturn, Rahu, Ketu planets will also transit in 2022. Let's discuss them. On Tuesday, 2022, 12th of April, Rahu transits from Taurus to Aries. And on the same date, Ketu transits from Scorpio to Libra. After this, Jupiter would transit from Aquarius to Pisces on Wednesday, 13th of April 2022. Then, on 29th of April 2022, Saturn will transit from Capricorn and enter Aquarius. However, on the 12th, July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and shift to Capricorn. Major eclipses of the year 2022. In the year 2022, there will be 2 solar eclipses and 2 lunar eclipses. Solar eclipses. The first solar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 30th of April 2022 in the partial solar eclipse. This eclipse will be noticeable in South America, Antarctica, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Also, the second solar eclipse will be a partial solar eclipse and it will occur on Tuesday, 25th of October 2022. This eclipse will be noticeable in Urals, Middle East, Northeast of Africa, Europe and West Asia. Now let's talk about lunar eclipses. The first lunar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 15th or 16th May in a blood moon. This will be seen in some parts of South America, Europe, Africa and Asia. The second lunar eclipse will happen on 8th of November 2022 as a complete lunar eclipse. Now this eclipse will be noticeable in many parts of North America, Australia, Asia, North and East parts of Europe and several parts of South America. Major festivals for the year 2022 are Holi, which would be celebrated on Saturday, 19th March 2022. Hindu New Year 2079 will begin from 2nd April 2022. Chaitra Navratri will be celebrated from 2nd April to 10th April 2022. Raksha Bandhan will be 11th August 2022. Ganesh Chaturthi 31st August 2022. The starting of Shardiya Navratri would be from 26th September to 4th October 2022. Vijayadashami, that is Dussehra, the festival of triumph of good over evil, would be celebrated on 25th of October 2022. Karwa Chauth will be celebrated on Thursday, 13th October 2022. The festival of Diwali will be celebrated on Monday, 24th November 2022. If you want more details, you can go to our official website Astro Yogi and get all the details plus auspicious time and worship method. So you viewers, the year 2022 will begin with Virgo ascendant, Scorpio and Jyeshtha Nakshatra. The yearly horoscope for Capricorn natives. Let's get to know how the yearly horoscope 2022 is going to be like for Capricorns. The yearly horoscope 2022 reveals what is special for you this year. With the coming of a new year, everyone gets excited to know about future opportunities and challenges. Everyone wishes to be well prepared for the future to get the best result. This is why people have lots of questions related to upcoming year. To answer all your queries, like every year, we have come up with a horoscope for 2022, which is based on moon signs. Astro Yogi's predictions for 2022 are made by calculating the positions of planets, constellations and their effect on the 12 zodiac signs. So let us know in detail about Capricorn horoscope 2022. What does Capricorn yearly horoscope 2022 signify for you? How will the year 2022 go for Capricorn natives in terms of love? What will the year 2022 bring to your professional life? Will Capricorn natives face any challenge or be successful in accumulating wealth for the year 2022? How will the relationship of Capricorn natives be with their family members in the year 2022? What does the horoscope of the year says for Capricorn natives? Horoscope 2022 will bring good results for Capricorns. There are chances that one will benefit from luck and enjoy good results if one does hard work. If you are a job seeker and want to bring changes to the field associated with your work, then this is the best time to start. The entry of Jupiter in Pisces on 13th of April will be beneficial for Capricorn natives. Wealth and income will increase and there are chances of business expansion. You will get the support of your luck. The entry of Rahu in Aries on 12th of April will benefit the students who are Capricorn natives, although their minds will not be stable. It will wander from studies. They are advised to concentrate on their studies and increase their concentration. Saturn will enter Aquarius on 29th of April 2022. This is Saturn's zodiac in which Saturn will be sitting in the house of wealth. As a result, you will get the support of your family and it will prove beneficial in terms of money. Jupiter will retrograde on 29th of April, which will increase your hard work and you will get better results. Try to avoid getting involved in any controversy or debate in the middle of the year. You will get good results at the end of the year. Try to focus on your wealth accumulation this year. Overall, the year will be good for Capricorn natives. In the year 2022, the first solar eclipse will occur on 30th of April, in which the Sun will be exalted in the 4th house of Capricorn and will sit in the Aries. This position of the Sun will bring success with unexpected gains. Take complete care of father's health though. On 25th of October 2022, the last solar eclipse of the year will take place and it will be placed in the 10th house of Capricorn. Due to this, you will face challenges if you are in the government sector. If you are thinking of doing any new work, postpone it and be wise with your money-related transactions. On 16th May 2022, the first lunar eclipse of the year will occur, in which the moon will be positioned in the 11th house of Capricorn. This position of moon will be likely to create disputes between the people doing business in partnership. There will be engagement with the life partner and a situation of quarrel may arise. You are advised to walk ahead slowly here. On the other hand, on 8th of November 2022, the last lunar eclipse of the year will occur in the 4th house of Capricorn. Due to this, you will get the full support of your mother. Your business can benefit you in many ways this year. Now let's discuss the finance horoscope for Capricorn natives for the year 2022. According to Capricorn Finance Horoscope 2022, at the beginning of the year, your expenses will increase. Your money will be spent due to unnecessary travel expenses, but as soon as the second week of the month starts, your financial conditions will improve. Your income will increase throughout this year and due to this your financial conditions will get stronger with every single day. If you are involved in a business, the beginning of the year, May to July and November to December, will be the best time for financial gains for you. At this time, the flow of money will be continuous and you will get various benefits. Even after facing challenges, you will succeed. All you need to do is work hard. Annual Finance Horoscope 2022 will benefit you in terms of finance. On 13th April, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, which will be placed in the 3rd house of Capricorn. This position of Jupiter will prove to be beneficial in many terms. Your luck will be supportive and this will help in gaining good wealth. You will get financial benefits from the work you are doing in partnership. The transit of Jupiter in the year 2022 will strengthen your financial position. There are chances of getting new sources which will offer you the opportunity of earning more income. On 12th of April 2022, Rahu will transit in Aries, which will be sitting in the 5th house of Capricorn. Now this position of Rahu will bring normalcy for people in business. On 29th April, Saturn will transit in Aquarius, which will be sitting in the 2nd house of Capricorn. This position of Saturn will help you become financially strong, opening many avenues for profit. However, you need to be careful and stand strong in front of your enemies. On 12 July 2022, Saturn will retrograde again and move to Capricorn, which will be sitting in the 1st house of Capricorn. This position of Saturn will make you struggle to get money. There are chances that the flow of the funds can get delayed. So Astro Yogi's predictions state that your work will not get hindered during this time. So there is no need to worry. In 2022, your financial conditions will remain strong, due to which there will be increase in money. Jupiter will retrograde on 29 July 2022 and this will give you unexpected monetary gains. Those who require a loan will get their loan quickly. This loan will help you progress in your work. Also, the position of Jupiter will help you with reconciliation with higher officials. Overall, Capricorn Finance Horoscope 2022 will give you financial success. If you make proper use of your time, you will get continuous success in your work. You are advised to be aware of your secret enemies though. However, the position of Saturn and Rahu will let your directions deviate from your focus point, due to which there may be a loss of money. Therefore, you are advised to stay away from situations that create delusions. Now let's discuss the Love Horoscope 2022 for Capricorn natives. According to Capricorn Love Horoscope 2022, this year will be best for you. Capricorn natives will be successful in winning the hearts of their loved ones. Due to that, the love will be in the air and they will lead a very happy life. The start of the year will be excellent for you and you will get many opportunities to romance your partner. The time of July to August and October to December will strengthen your love life. If you're married, your life will be full of joyful moments. The misfortune in your life will end. You will get many opportunities to strengthen your love life. You have to stay careful between May and August, as many problems and misconceptions can occur between you and your partner. Once you deal with this situation, it will get better. You will get support from all your family members, even in difficult situations. Due to this, your married life will be blissful. According to Annual Horoscope, Love Horoscope for 2022, this year is going to be normal for unmarried couples, but it will be excellent for married couples. On 13th of April 2022, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, which will be sitting in the third house of Capricorn. Now, this position of Jupiter will increase the love between you and your partner, especially if you're married. You will get a lot of support from your life partner during this time. Along with this, your in-laws will offer you respect. However, it will be average for natives in love. Rahu will transit in Aries on 12th of April 2022. This position of Rahu will make your life ordinary. When the transit of Venus is in the 1st, 5th and other beneficent houses, then the wishes of people who want to get married will get fulfilled. Due to the transit of Venus, there will be an increase in love even during disappointments. According to Astro Yogi's predictions, this position of Venus will be favorable for you and will create honesty and understanding between the life partners. You will seek an attractive life partner. People who are not married for a long time might get a chance to get married this year. But when Mars transits in 10th, 5th and 7th house, conflicts may arise with the partner. On the other hand, on 12th of July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and enter Capricorn again, which will be sitting in the first house of Capricorn. This position of Saturn will create trouble for you. At this time, changes might occur, resulting in your coordination with your partner being a little disturbed. You are recommended to keep yourself away from arguments. On 29th of July 2022, Jupiter will be retrograde, which will be sitting in the third house of Capricorn. This will help you create typical situations concerning your relationships. Overall, Capricorn Love Horoscope 2022 states that mixed results will be in your love life and married life. You are advised to act in a controlled manner to increase love and strength in your relationship. Spend quality time with your partner and listen to each other. Now let's discuss the career horoscope 2022 for Capricorns. Now, according to Capricorn Career Horoscope 2022, if you're a working person, the starting month of the year will be beneficial for you. Your higher officials will maintain a good relationship with you. This will benefit you from time to time. You are expected to have a dedicated work life. By the time you reach the end of the year, you will pay full attention to your work, due to which you will be known for being a hardworking team member. Then you will get the full benefits of your work life. If you are doing a business, this is the time to pursue it with good understanding. Avoid making anyone your business partner. If you are doing your business alone, do it yourself without involving any second person. However, if you are involved in business with another person, do not include anyone else. It can create a massive loss for you. Go over the plans that you have created to expand your business. It is advisable to seek suggestions from experienced people. According to Annual Career Horoscope 2022, this year will be better than usual on career front. On 13th April, Jupiter will enter Pisces, which will be sitting in the third house of Capricorn. This position of Jupiter will result in favorable results. If you are associated with a business, you are likely to get benefits from it at this time. At this time, you will get the support of your luck. If you are planning to go for an abroad business trip, this is the perfect time for you. Moreover, Aquarius natives can start a new business during this time. On 12th April, Rahu will transit in Aries, which will be placed in the fourth house of Capricorn. This position of Rahu will increase your expenses. You are advised to take care of your unnecessary expenses. This situation will bring profits from foreign trades. This time will be beneficial for those who want to go abroad for job or business. According to Astro Yogi's predictions, Saturn will retrograde and enter Capricorn again on 12th of July 2022, which will be sitting in the ascendant house of Capricorn. This position of Saturn will bring benefits to you along with business growth. During this time, you are expected to make good relations with your higher officials. The employed people will get good opportunities, and this will increase your income flow. Jupiter will retrograde on 29 July 2022, and due to this, you will get good wealth growth in business. The arrival of this new year will bring unexpected monetary gains. At this time, you will also get opportunities to work in government sector. Due to your good relations with higher officials, you will never have a shortage of work. The time is suitable for people who are willing to change their position at their workplace or are looking for job opportunities. Overall, Capricorn Career Horoscope 2022 will prove beneficial for your career. You are advised to use your time correctly and not let your opportunities go waste. Try to make wise decisions for everything you start. Do not take the burden of excessive work, otherwise your health may deteriorate. Capricorn Family Horoscope is what we are going to discuss next for the year 2022. Now, according to the Capricorn Family Horoscope, this year is going to be quite usual for you. On 13th April, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, which will be sitting in the third house of Capricorn. This position will be beneficial for you as you will get the full support of your siblings. On 12th April 2022, Rahu will transit in Aries, which will be sitting in the fourth house of Capricorn. Due to this, you will be required to take good care of both your parents. You are advised not to give them any mental stress. This year is going to be average in terms of family-related matters for Capricorn natives. Some natives may face trouble at the beginning of the year because of the shadow of Ketu that will be in the 11th house in Scorpio. This can cause quarrels in the family amongst the family members. In this context, you are advised to maintain a peaceful environment in your family and talk to your family members honestly and carefully about your concerns. On the other hand, on 12th of July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and enter Capricorn again, which will be sitting in the first house of Capricorn. This position of Saturn will prove to be beneficial for you. There will be an increase in honor and respect from your family side, but a situation of quarrel may arise with your life partner. On 29th of July 2022, Jupiter will retrograde and enter Aquarius. This will give you the complete support of your family. There are chances that you may get ancestral property. Along with this, there will be an increase in family comfort. There are possibilities that you may get involved in religious work or some spiritual work. As a result, respect will increase among your family members, and your family members will give you complete support. You will make frequent plans to go on a short trip with your family and friends this particular year. Overall, the Capricorn Family Horoscope 2022 states that things will be good from a family point of view. There are chances that you will depend on your family members and elders to make significant decisions related to your career, your family matters, or related stuff. Try to cut down the unnecessary expenses. Invest in the capital that works in your family members' favor. Take care of your health and do not overburden yourself with responsibilities, or else it can cause mental stress. Now let's discuss some astro tips for Capricorn for the year 2022. After praying to Shani Dev, light a lamp filled with mustard oil under the peepal tree on Saturday. Offer jasmine flowers to Shivling. Consume black sesame seeds. Distribute petha to the poor people. To increase luck, give water to acacia plant. Auspicious color for this year 2022 for Capricorn natives is blue and green, and the lucky number for 2022 for Capricorn natives is 8 and 5. This is a generalized prediction for all the signs. For a personalized prediction in detail, reach out to the top astrologers now at Astro Yogi.
Astro Yogi, India's #1 live astrology app.